Hi, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Chee-nar Negroni. So for those that aren't familiar with Chee-nar, I used to pronounce it Chee-nar, which is apparently wrong. Pronounced it like that for a long time. Anyways, Chee-nar it's an Italian amaro. It's got 13 different botanicals in it, and the predominant flavor and the predominant ingredient is artichoke. So it's a bitter herbal liqueur. So for this cocktail, the Chee-nar Negroni is a simple substitution. So I'll do a side-by-side comparison. So this is my standard Negroni ready to go, which I'll link to up here as well. So you can, if you don't know how to make one, you will soon. But the simple substitution, swapping the Campari for the Chee-nar. So nice and easy. It's equal parts, 1 ounce or 30 mils of each ingredient. So starting with a dry gin, followed by Chee-nar, the artichoke, amaro, herbal liqueur, whatever you like to call it. Followed by a Sweet Vermouth. I've also had a few comments complaining about my Sweet Vermouth, my martini. I happen to have a bottle in the fridge and I'm not going to throw it away. I do have a few other options as well. I'll leave a few recommendations of different styles of Sweet Vermouth that you can perhaps go for if you don't like martini. And then to that glass, just add ice and give it a stir for 30-40 seconds. And for garnish, a twist of orange over the top. Okay, so there you have two Negronis side by side, your traditional Negroni and your Chee-nar Negroni. As you can see, by just looking at it, you can see that this one clearly got Campari in it. It does look a lot nicer. This looks a little bit daunting. Really get that Chee-nar coming through. It's quite dry, not overly sweet. And then for your classic style Negroni, a lot more bitter, a lot of dryness coming through as well. Probably should cleanse my palate between the two of them, but I mean, if you like a classic Negroni, you will like a Chee-nar Negroni. They're both similar in style, just this is drier, more full on. So this may be possibly an entry level before moving on to the Negroni, before a classic Negroni. Thanks for watching, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.